Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Thursday, September 9th, 2021. So, I guess, as we all expected here, we got some more economic news this morning. And you want to laugh, really? Just turn on, I don't know, any of them. Bloomberg, CNBC, Fox Business, pick one. And they're trying to play this up as, I don't know, the greatest thing in the history of the world. What am I talking about? First time claims for unemployment came in at yet another 310,000. And this is supposed to be a good thing. Oh, yeah. And continuing claims unexpectedly went up. Tell me how this is good, honestly. The propaganda machine is out of control. Again, just consider this. If we were in a normal environment and we found out that the prior week 310,000 people applied for first-time unemployment claims and continuing claims went up, people would be freaking out. But in this upside down, backwards and twisted environment, it's all good. And it's the same story every single week. You can't make it up. You can't do it. But this is the mechanism, and it's just not going to stop. I don't know. And then you got this other thing going on here. Jim Cramer, all these talking heads here on the mainstream financial channels talking about a potential drop in this market, soon. Okay, so freaking what? Let's just say hypothetically these people are correct, all right? We haven't had a real market correction in a very, very long time. And these people are trying to create some kind of panic. You got to be kidding me. People like myself, real traders, real investors, would welcome a pullback in this market. That's how stocks go higher. They gain. You get a real correction, and then you go higher after establishing a new floor. That's how it works. But you see, you're not supposed to know that. They want to create panic. I mean, I don't know what they really want to do. Maybe that's what it is. Anyway, look, I really don't care. You all know that. The market is what it is. Today, it's so twisted. We don't get pullbacks. We don't get corrections. And every single dip, every one of them people should be bought. And I've been explaining this to you for a very long time. And yes, it depends on that 10-year yield, which happens to be stable right now. Yet again, the 10-year yield has been in a range for quite a while. All right. We were at the top of a range recently. We've come down a little bit. There's no sign of anything dramatic happening if you're looking at the debt market. And the debt market is the key to the freak show. This freak show of a market. You all know that. And it gets under my skin when I hear people like Jim Cramer or whoever they may be trying to scare people for what? What? Oh, the market might actually have a normal correction? Maybe. What should we do? I'm terrified. I'm so scared. People, I don't know what to tell you. It's out of control. Anyway, so that's the story, the big news this morning. Let's look at this market. Right now, stock futures are lower slightly. No big deal here. You got the 10-year yield, like I said, stable. Crude oil slightly lower. The dollar relatively flat right now. So, I mean, it's not a great setup for the market today, but we'll see what happens here. We'll just see where this all goes. Don't get afraid. If you're one of my lions out here, you're laughing. You're laughing at like the creature, Jim Cramer or anybody else out here who's trying to scare you. No, absolutely not. Just look, you trade the market you have. And with regard to understanding where you need to be, it could not be more clear in my view. I don't care about rumors that the Fed is going to taper sometime this year. Now we got Bostic out, and the other criminal, Kaplan, who just got caught red-handed insider trading, talking about the Fed, possibly cutting back on asset purchases. It's not going to happen, people. Not going to happen. The first thing they're going to do is raise the federal funds rate, and I believe, and I've said this before, the market's going to actually embrace it and go higher off of that news. So we're just going to watch this stuff. Like I said, we're going to trade the market we have. We're going to invest in the market in other assets like gold and silver and cryptos and even crude oil, other commodities, based on what we know is going on. What we know is going on is this sick, twisted, coordinated effort by central banks to continue to inflate. Like I've said, would happen from, a decade ago. It's not going to stop. And, so we're betting against the hyper bubble in debt, realizing that risk on will eventually turn risk off. It's going to happen at one point. So, yes, you trade the market you have, but you do think ahead a little bit, okay? You're not like an animal or a child that just lives in the moment, all right? You got to kind of understand what's happening and get yourself in the right spots, both for the short run and the long term. You understand? I know you do. If you watch this blog here, and truly, people, I've kept you on the right side of this for a very, very long time, and I'm going to continue to do that. You can listen to these other freaks over here if you like. You're more than welcome to do that, but they're gonna hurt you. They're gonna hurt you, and I'm not going to allow that to happen. All right. So anyway, in summary, it's great economic news. We got another 310,000 people applying for first-time unemployment benefits. Oh, that's lovely. And you got continuing claims unexpectedly go up. But somehow this is all good. Just turn on the mainstream media and they'll tell you how great it is, and they would never mislead you. This guy here loves you a lot, and I mean that from the heart. We are a team. We are a team. All right? And we're going to get through all the dog shit together. And we're going to have fun doing it too. All right, look, I'm out of here. Again, please share my work. Please share this video. Hit that thumbs up. Makes me so happy. And get this stuff out there. All right, let's get more team members here to join us. All right, I'm out of here. See you later.